This is our updated eyebrow. This is how I do my eyebrows at home. Cause you know, quarantining or whatever.
Take it off, take off something, take it off, take off something, I throw it up in the air. I want to get naked.
Hi guys, it's NAIR. We're in quarantine. We are doing things ourselves, starting with our eyebrows, and then our hair, and then our nails. I got you, sis. I got you. What's up? So we are in the house. I look a mess. We're just gonna get our faces back together. We're gonna get back into the mood, and we're going to start with doing our eyebrows. Cause right now, girl, this ain't it. So I'm going to nail my eyebrows at home. Your salons are closed. Your eyebrow lady's at home. She don't want to take no customers. I'm here for you. So I will be using a mirror. If you are doing this in a bathroom, then you probably wouldn't need the mirror, but whatever. You will need the NAIR, of course. You want some, what are these? Cotton swabs, Q-tips. I don't know. A and D, this is for after. A regular eyebrow pencil or a gel or whatever. And a rag or a wipe. But y'all, this is how my eyebrows looking right now. Y'all see, I don't know why I got a bald spot. It's like that in both of my eyebrows. We are lacking shape. And when we lack shape, it's kind of hard for me to do my eyebrows. So we're gonna try and get rid of all this and get our shape back. This is my favorite eyebrow. This one don't know how to act. Like, I never know what's going on with this one. So we're gonna focus on this one. The first thing that you do want to do is get your mirror or look in, you know, your bathroom mirror, wherever you are. Carve out the shape of your eyebrows. So I've never done this before. Usually I just wing it, eyeball it, but we're gonna try to be a little bit more professional. Literally just gonna go in a box. Okay, see, I already messed up. So I've never used the eyebrow, like I've never done it with the pencil before. No, so this, I'm not doing it this way. I'm gonna continue doing it how I usually do it because I don't like it. The pencil way was not working for me. If it's easier for you to use a pencil, then I highly suggest that you do that, but I will not be doing that. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our NAIR and we're going to take our Q-tip. I'm sorry, the top of my NAIR looks disgusting. Basically, I'm just going to go in. So I'm going to leave this on for about a couple seconds and then I'm going to wipe it off with my rag. Now is where we come in with the A and D. And this is for burns and stuff like that. I just put this on my skin so that we are not, technically we just burned our eyebrows off. So I like to go in with some A and D to soothe it. This is our updated eyebrow. And this is how I do my eyebrows at home. Cause you know, quarantining or whatever. You guys see the difference? Now we're going to try to do the other side the same way. Wish me luck. Wish me luck. It didn't come out the same, and I feel it in my soul. But mama ain't raised no quitter. We're going to do the same thing. I'm going to let it sit and we're going to wipe it off. Okay, actually, we didn't do too bad. So you guys, this is how I do my eyebrows at home using NAIR. I really hope that this video helps you guys because I understand that we are all under quarantine. Like, you probably at home trying to figure out what your eyebrow lady is doing and she's at home eating popcorn. So let's give it the program. But something I do want you guys to keep in mind that this is NAIR and this is a chemical, so you should be 100% careful when putting this onto your skin, especially as something as sensitive as your eyebrows, especially as something as close to your eyes. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Do you think I did a... Listen, it's as even as it's gonna get. I hope that you guys are subscribed to my channel and have my post notifications on. So yeah, okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. My Instagram is down below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. So you guys, wow, my face looks oily. It didn't come out the same, and I feel it in my soul. But mama ain't raised no quitter.
Take it off, take off something, I throw it up in the air.